So helping you in, you do get this remote from the factory with your unlock lock remote start. We'll give you a quick close-up of, again, these gorgeous wheels and tires. You also have that nice black decaling on there. The contrast with the white's beautiful. Signaling indicators on the mirrors, which is a nice safety feature. You have also proximity key system and blind spot monitoring on the mirrors, what I was trying to show you there. Your side steps also deploy when you open the door, so you have a beautiful interior here, power mirrors, windows, and locks, and your mirrors also power fold in. It'll probably help if I actually hit the button. So that's a nice convenience feature there. Your driver's seat's fully adjustable with lumbar support. The mats and carpets are in great condition, and you have this gorgeous leather throughout. Your front seats are heated and cooled, keeping you comfortable year-round. Your steering wheel is also leather-wrapped and heated. You have cruise control options on the right, including adaptive cruise control and shifting options. On the left, Bluetooth and hands-free dash selection. You have audio-mounted controls behind my fingertips there, fully automatic headlights, power pedals, so between that and the telescopic and tilt option on your steering wheel, you're going to be able to find the perfect position for you. Fully automatic headlights. So into the dash, the current mileage sits at 21,049 kilometers. It's a beautifully styled area here, and you have a large menu of information that you can go through. Take a second to explore that further with your sales advisor. To the right, you have your push button start. So again, with that proximity key system, the convenience is key. Push dial shifting knob with your 4x4 options. And then as we head up top, you have the upgraded ALPINE sound system, that RAM detailing with a 12-volt port for convenience. You have your lane departure warnings. That's going to keep you where you need to be. And your active drive assist, that's going to help you actually park the vehicle. So lots of options here in this gorgeous 12-inch touchscreen. You have your AM, FM, and satellite capability for your media. You can connect through USB, auxiliary, Bluetooth, and you have a CD player in here. For your controls, again, 2 different settings for your heated seats, your cooled seats, and then your heated steering wheel. You can also deploy your side steps if you would like to have that happen. Again, dual zone climate control, so you can use the buttons on the screen or the buttons on the side. Your app screen is going to give you easy access to some of the technology in here. Again, there's lots happening there. There's great technology built into this, so take a second to explore that with your sales advisor. Navigation, of course. Your trailer brake control, tow haul, and your traction control, as well as parking sensors. In here you have lots of additional space, all of your media ports tucked away. Top shallow area in your console and a deeper space down below. And then we'll give you a quick pan through on the passenger side. Everything is in great condition. I'm just ignoring my camera equipment there. And then down below you have a lock and glove compartment, additional space above that, illuminated vanity mirrors, and all sorts of controls up top here. Garage door transmitters, your rear sliding window, sunglass storage, interior cabin lighting. You do have the Sirius Guardian system in here, and then the DUAL-PANE panoramic sunroof. As we head into the back, the doors open super wide, almost 90 degrees, so it's really easy to get everything in and out. You do have more media ports back here, USB, Apple, and an AC outlet. The bottoms of the seats lift up easily to reveal additional space down below, and you do have the RAM bins back there as well. Built-in tonneau cover on here, which is lovely. This truck does come with the bed utility group, so you have the tracks in there as well as it's illuminated. And we'll give you a quick shot of that trailer hitch receiver. You also have this little step up that pops out here. Super handy there. So overall, as you can see, that was just a very quick tour. Again, if you have any questions or want to get this on the road for a test drive, we'd love to give you a hand with any of that. Our information is at the end of this video. We'd like to thank you for watching and hope to see you soon.